The Technical Training Department of Yaskawa America Incorporated presents features and benefits of the GA800 AC drive for industrial applications.
Hello, I'm Mike Knapek with Yaskawa America. It's my pleasure to introduce you to the GA800, our newest variable speed AC drive, a product that reflects the meeting of the minds between Yaskawa's engineers and you, our valued customers. We listened to your needs and concerns and set about to design a variable speed drive to satisfy your requirements. The many improvements, both large and small, that we've integrated into this drive are all inspired by our confidence that they will make your life both easier and better. Put the GA800 to work for you, and you can expect these qualities to yield the highest versatility, reliability, and performance for your application. Now I'd like to turn it over to Steve Kaler to provide you an overview of the GA800.
Thanks, Mike. The GA800 satisfies and exceeds all of your drive requirements through three key areas: flexibility, sustainability, and ease of use. First, the GA800 maintains Yaskawa's reputation for exceptional reliability and quality. All Yaskawa drives are the most rugged, bulletproof drives on the market as measured by mean time between failure data. And like many other Yaskawa drives, the GA800 is American-made, assembled in our Buffalo Grove, Illinois facility by people who really know how to build quality drives. Delivering powerful torque and precise control, the GA800 is the ideal choice for controlling both traditional and emerging motor technologies through a wide power range. Pick any application, from simple fans and pumps to high-performance test dynamometers, and the GA800 is the drive for you. There are a number of great options for installing the GA800 in configurations that optimize your space and enclosure requirements. This versatility means there is a GA800 that suits your specific installation needs. For instance, you can mount the drives in a cabinet with zero side clearance. Now, this can save you a great deal of panel space, making your enclosure size smaller. The GA800 can be used for NEMA 1 environments, and the optional flange-style drive can be used to simplify your Type 12 panel designs when dusty exterior environments are present. The GA800 also has hardware I/O control solutions. The GA800 has embedded digital and analog I/O with options for expanded I/O. To make your life a little easier, we made the control terminal board removable, so you don't need to redo all the wiring if a drive needs to be replaced for service. Just disconnect the main power wires, unbolt the drive, and pop off the terminal board. The control wiring stays connected. Then, simply attach the board to the replacement VFD, and you're back in action. The GA800 is designed with Euro-style terminal blocks. This allows either bare wires or ferrule connections. No more having to pull the screw out to connect a lug. Moreover, wiring and clamp-down torque information is listed on a label on the inside of the GA800 cover. On that label is a 2-scale gauge for stripping back the insulation on power, control, and ground wiring. The GA800 was designed to satisfy your most stringent requirements for plant safety and product durability. A standard functional safety feature of the GA800 is the built-in dual-channel safe torque off circuit. Tested and certified by TUV, the GA800's safe torque off functionality meets SIL 3 in accordance with IEC 62061 and PLE in accordance with ISO 13849-1. The GA800's safety rating helps reduce the number of components necessary for your machine's safety circuit. Using the GA800, you can quickly put your machine into a safe state, perform maintenance, and return back to normal operation, all without ever removing line power. This means reduced downtime and increased productivity. When it comes to product durability, we took extra measures to safeguard sensitive electronics by conformal coating all circuit boards. Tested and certified to IEC 60721-3-3 for operational and environmental conditions, the GA800 meets 3C2 and 3S3 for chemically and mechanically active substances, respectively. Turning our attention to control methods, the GA800 is an exceptionally versatile variable speed drive. With this single drive, you can control any application in addition to any motor type, including induction, permanent magnet, and synchronous reluctance motors. The GA800's all-new advanced open-loop vector control provides tripless operation through its fast-acting motor control. Advancements to DC bus regulation and current limiting means inherently overcoming unexpected line and load conditions. It means quicker, easier drive setup, such as your setup of the drive's acceleration and deceleration rates. Additionally, you can maintain motor control for prolonged periods of time when three-phase input power is lost with GA800's easy-to-set-up kinetic energy braking function. Improvements to speed search lowers current requirements while providing more reliable motor speed detection. But the biggest enhancement to advanced open-loop vector is its ability to perform torque control without the need for an encoder. From load-sharing processes that use helper drives on a long conveyor belt to complex web handling applications, the torque control capability of the advanced open-loop vector control method provides the right solution for your application. Now, as we all know, drives are used to save energy. But with the GA800's Smart Power Saver mode, even more energy can be saved. This feature uses an energy-saving algorithm that tunes the output voltage based on real-time tracking of motor heating. When your GA800 is operating in the Smart Power Saver mode, you can reduce energy consumption at reduced speeds and loads, maximizing efficiency and minimizing operating costs. Now, just because the GA800 is a sophisticated, all-purpose solution for your variable speed needs doesn't mean it's complicated to use. With a wealth of programming, monitoring, and troubleshooting features, the GA800 makes the complicated simple. To program and set up your GA800, you can use the product's keypad, your mobile device, or your personal computer. And let's review the keypad first. The GA800 keypad features dedicated, color-coordinated, and tactile buttons, as well as specific function keys that change how you navigate the keypad. Starting with the overall screen layout, note the large, easy-to-read text, showing status, content, and quick access functions. The content section lists valuable data such as the setting name, setting number, current value, and value units. And you no longer have to wonder about abbreviated or condensed parameter names. Each parameter uses up to 32 characters to clearly describe the parameter. Now, when you energize the drive for the first time, the keypad will show you the initial setup screen where you set the date and time for your real-time clock, where you can set the keypad language, or you can follow a setup wizard to program your GA800. Startup is made simple using the drive's initial setup screen. Navigating through the various menus is easy, with clear indications of the current menu. Notice these buttons here. Just push the arrow buttons to quickly access different menus. For instance, press the left key for the monitor menu screen, the right arrow for the menu selection screen, or the down arrow for the custom monitors. And speaking of custom monitors, you can customize the home screen with up to 12 monitors chosen from any of the drive's monitors. While the factory defaults are speed reference, output speed, and output current, feel free to set up a custom home screen to suit your specific needs. Also available are bar graphs, analog gauges, and trend plots to provide new methods of drive monitoring. Drive programming for these and many more new features is completely menu-driven, so you don't have to go dig out that old drive manual. And with the keypad, you can get your machine up and running quicker and easier. However, when you control the drive, you can always have a clear understanding of the drive status using the LED status ring. Do you see how it's divided into 3 segments indicating the drive status: ready, run, or alarm fault? Well, the size and brightness of these LEDs enable you to determine the drive status instantly. Even from quite a distance away, you can readily assess whether the drive is ready to run, running, or if the drive is in an alarm faulted state. However, We don't need hardware I/O or the keypad to run or monitor a GA800. We have embedded Modbus RTU, along with support for all the major Ethernet and Fieldbus networks. Our network options are put through rigorous network testing to meet or exceed the standards set forth for conformance. This helps provide you with a robust network connection whether you require a star, line, or ring topology. New to the GA800 is its gateway mode that allows you to connect up to 5 drives from a single network node. And we offer tools to help make integration easier for you, helping you integrate a GA800 onto your Ethernet IP network in under 60 seconds, for example. Never fear losing your network status again. Whether you are trying to program the drive without main power applied, or ensure that it continues to communicate on the network if main power is lost or removed, the GA800 has the solution waiting for you with its embedded 24-volt DC input power terminals. Connecting has never been easier, as Yaskawa has gone mobile. With DriveWizard Mobile, you have a direct connection to your GA800 right in the palm of your hand. With either the wireless or USB connection option, DriveWizard Mobile puts a familiar extension of the digital operator onto your mobile device. Your ability to set up your GA800, manage parameters, access documents, monitor, and troubleshoot your drive has never been simpler. The days of lugging your PC around into dusty, harsh, PC-unfriendly environments are over. It's your choice. And it all starts with downloading the DriveWizard mobile application from the App Store or from Google Play. DriveWizard Mobile is an extension of the GA800's keypad and more. DriveWizard Mobile enables you to register your drive, display the monitors, change parameter settings, display favorites, display modified parameters, see the operational history, which are the parameter changes you made using the app, auto-tune your GA800, trending, backup, and restore parameters. And you can also back up all of your DriveWizard mobile activity to the Yaskawa Drive Cloud. With Yaskawa Drive Cloud, you never have to worry about losing your critical operational data. Upload, store, and retrieve a wealth of information, such as drive configuration files, photos, spreadsheets, and more. While we're on the subject of free Yaskawa products, let's now review our Windows-based PC program for simple commissioning and troubleshooting of your Yaskawa drives, DriveWizard Industrial. The DriveWizard Industrial Support Tool is a software package available free of charge and ready for immediate download on the Yaskawa website. DriveWizard offers an impressive array of features and functions to help you in drive setup, such as trending, data logging, parameter management, transmitting, and receiving files from your GA800, and troubleshooting. For more information about the DriveWizard Industrial software, how to best utilize it for setup, analysis, and troubleshooting, please watch the DriveWizard Tips and Tricks videos. Yet another software tool we offer, free to our customers, is our DriveWorksEZ, a programming application that enables you to create customized functionality for your GA800. Use the logic and mathematics functions inside the drive to create simple programs that instruct your GA800 to behave in a certain way, based on specific combinations of inputs occurring during the predetermined time frame. Now, with this customization, you can avoid the need for a simple PLC to achieve the necessary logic. DriveWorksEZ and all the other GA800 features and benefits I've reviewed in this presentation were all integrated into and provided for this drive for one simple reason: because you are our customer, and we want to make your life easier and better in every way that we can.
Thanks for that great product overview, Steve. Greetings, everyone. My name is Steve Perreault, and I'm the Chief Product Line Manager at Yaskawa America. I'm here in our High Power Test Lab. This area is where we test our designs for robustness and quality. Rest assured that all Yaskawa products undergo stringent electrical and mechanical testing to provide you with safe, reliable, and high-performance products. And our new GA800 variable speed drive is no exception. Virtually every aspect of the GA800 comes from applying your feedback to our design process. This resulted in improvements in installation, user interface, network connectivity, motor control, and functional safety. In short, we wanted to offer a product that makes your life easier and more productive. Combine this with Yaskawa's legendary quality, and we believe you're in for a truly great and lasting experience. Let's go back to Steve Kaler for a few closing comments.
Now that you've seen an overview of the GA800, here are some questions to help you review. True or false? The safe torque off, or STO circuit, cuts main power to your GA800, stopping and preventing torque production to the motor. If the person sitting next to you whose paper you're trying to copy responded that this is true, change seats. The truth is that when either of the STO inputs are opened, torque to the motor is immediately stopped and prevented without removing main power from the GA800. When the drive is brought back to running mode, torque can instantly be restored to the motor. Here's the next question. When looking at the front cover of the GA800, which new feature enables you to easily determine the drive's operational status? A, the network status LEDs. B, the USB port. C, the LED status ring. D, the local remote LED. And the correct answer is C, the LED status ring. The three large LED segments of the status ring provide an unmistakable indication of the drive status, even from a distance. And finally, which of the following apply to Yaskawa's DriveWizard Mobile application? A, it's free. B, it has wireless and USB communication options. C, it's available on Android and iOS. D, it can program an unpowered drive using a USB connection. E, it has the ability to save all drive data to a 3.5-inch floppy disk. Or F, it has the ability to save all drive data to the Yaskawa Drive Cloud. Well, if you said everything other than E, you are correct. DriveWizard Mobile is a free-of-charge, easily downloaded app for your Android or Apple iOS, smartphone, or tablet. Both wireless and USB connections are options and available. With the USB, you can program an unpowered GA800 even if it's still in the box. And lastly, you can upload all drive configuration files, photos, and settings to your free Yaskawa Drive Cloud location. We're sure you're going to agree that the GA800 is the right drive for you. We stake our reputation on it. At Yaskawa, we do everything in our power to make each experience with us better than the last. Because to us, it's personal. To learn more about the GA800, visit yaskawa.com. Thanks for watching.